So people tend to ask, Manando, how do you trade Nasdaq, guys? I kill Nasdaq. That's true. I kill Nasdaq. I kill Nasdaq. Shout out. Like Nasdaq, you know me. Like Nasdaq knows me very clearly. Understand? Nasdaq knows my name. Nasdaq knows my surname. Like I do the unbelievable till niggas don't believe. How we take small accounts to bigger accounts, But then as you grow up, you'll understand that we have goats and we have traders. So okay guys, this is what do you call it? This is Nas100. So Nas100, I'm interested in the lowest low. That's the lowest low, and I need the highest height. I took the highest height. Understand? So when it's like that, okay, I shall feel like there's like too much light. When it's like this, you see guys, you're gonna take a trend from the lowest low. Understand? The trend is your friend. This thing has been going up. It was an uptrend. Check those levels. It's been buying. You understand? So now we have this structure. Now. From here going there, only have 2 connects. 1, 2. We can head to what? Third connect, which is there. Imagine if we were to go for the third touch, and the third touch will be where? Third touch will be there. That's what's gonna happen to Nasdaq, guys. You understand? By just understanding the market structure, you will know what's gonna happen. Because, like, to be honest, if you check Nasdaq, it has failed a lot of head and shoulder setups. It has failed a lot of head and shoulder setups. Like it has failed a lot of double tops. We expected double tops in many levels, but then they never availed, or they never came through. You understand? So that's the problem. So as we go to the smaller charts, we're gonna decide if we're still gonna go with the lower low or what. You understand? Let's see the lower charts. Okay, if it's still a buy, So but then if it rejects, guys, that bullshit, the Nasdaq and USDT, they're moving in similar ways. That's bullshit, guys. Like sometimes they run, sometimes they oppose each other. And like most of the time, guys, I'm not a fundamental person. I always trade what I see. I always trade what I see. I never come to the church and start asking people what time are the news, these and these. I'm not a fundamental person. I believe straight in a technical way, So if I wanted to trade Nasdaq, I don't have to check what will happen to the news. You understand? If this and that, I don't stress myself. I don't stress myself with a lot of things. Because the time I go to fundamentals, I'm going to be trapped. That's not my trading style. My trading style is trading the patterns, trading what I see. So when you go to fundamental, everything changes. You understand? So I'm not focused on fundamentals. I don't trade them. I don't even check. And it's been working. I just hear that there was a fundamental whatever if I make money. Even if I blow, I just hear the same thing. So okay, again, we have this trend line here, guys. You see? This trend line has been going nicely in this level. It's been respecting the same levels. Okay, let's check. If this trend line failed to break here, it failed to break here, it failed to break here, what gives you the reason that it will break this level? My psychology. You understand? So that's why my psychology works. And if you can check, on that level we have a what? On that level we have a shoulder which is there. So it can be a double top. Understand? And if you can check, we have an intersection there. For your setup to be correct when it comes to pattern, you have to have a sort of intersection in the market, which we do have. This is the intersection on the market. See how we have that intersection. So now, don't rush entries. Always be careful on how you enter your positions. Come this side, we do trade them, and you good on that. You good on that. Yeah, but then if you can check, we're going there on Nasdaq. One thing that I can educate people, you guys, one thing that you need to know, Kohore, you should stop this thing, yeah, what do you call, you need to stop this thing. You need to stop this thing of rushing entries, stop rushing entries. When entry is not there, it's not there. You understand? So now I'm gonna go to the 1 hour. Most of the traders, they rush their entries, and you never know why. The market is yours, your phone is yours. It's not like you borrowed someone's phone to trade. It's all yours, but then you still rush entries, And guys, you need to understand how to spot fake breakouts, because now the way we trade, it's not that normal. We can like see what do you call we can meet the what do you call the fake breakouts. But then to those who are trading support and resistance, you always counter like what do you call fake breakouts. The question is, how do you spot fake breakouts? A lot of you are trapped into trading fake breakouts and stuff. Guys, once you see this thing, you can't unsee it. Let me show you something with the structure. I know that, okay, this certain structure, I know that it's profitable in USDT. So whenever I see it, I know that I have to capitalize. You're on Nasdaq. You need to go back, guys, check what happened. Okay, if you can check, this structure here is the same structure as the current structure. So we're gonna do these. Understand? They're not that the same, but then they're like similar. So I'll do that. Okay, this was the previous structure, and it played out. Okay, so I'm interested in what? I'm interested in the impulse only. The impulse of what? Of this structure. Then I'm gonna come here, bar patterns. I'm taking this impulse going up. Okay, it's perfect. So on the current market, this is what I'll be putting. I'll put this structure here. Check how it was moving. Check how it was moving, guys. It was moving the same way. You understand? It was moving the same way. So which means the market keeps repeating itself. You take previous highs and previous bar patterns to determine everything. So it becomes it becomes more easy. You understand? It becomes more easy. So whenever I see such setup, I just go to the previous market to determine the take profit. This one, it has reached the take profit level. That's why now it's starting to retrace. Okay, so let me remove this thing. So now from the from the 1 hour, I'm gonna go to the 45 minutes. Okay, on the 1 hour, still we have a double top there, which I'm not sure if it's gonna play out, but then we're gonna test it with the trend line, connecting from the lowest low going up. So if it happens, it breaks this trend line here. If it happens, it breaks this trend line going down. That's when I can go with it, But then if it happens, it doesn't. Okay, again, reduce this. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip to the 45 minutes. 45 minutes. On the 45 minutes, I think it's sort of like giving me a breakout, but then I have to wait for it to see if it's a good breakout. So I'm gonna go to the M15. If you can check, guys, this is the M15. God is testing your faith. God gave you a breakout. God wanna see, hey, what you will do. God is with you there. Guys, you just need to pray in tongues. So I'll be waiting for the M15. There's a break, guys. You see. So after this break, listen to a Falcon Star now. I mix the Falcon Star with a lot of analysis. Cause I'm from different areas. Check this. Just check this out, guys. Yo. But then, guys, can you see these guys? Guys, marak live on di dengo hoba ali yibul. Harigili zimeleng yona le tla bona gore manando ke la par. Go call your mentor. Call your mentor for classes. If you feel like your mentor is not good, tell him to come pay for my classes. I will cook him. Tell him, mentor, why don't you just go to Manando? He will teach you, please. We really need to win through this forex thing. You need to go. And I think, I can go with this one because of the Jeff Bezos thing of stepping down as the Amazon CEO. That nigga has big plans coming. He has big plans coming. So, guys, don't be afraid to text your mentors to come for mentorships. We're gonna give them mentorship. I'm gonna do gold as the last one. I'm a friendly person, you know. Even if mentors you come, I won't tell the people that I taught you forex. You can just keep it low key as much as possible.